Okay. Tears drop out. I can't drink. I eat in peace. Weed in the hookah? How the hell you ever put weed in a hookah? It's me put myself in the situation. What she think about this minion?
She's gonna be my girl.
I don't have no problem, you know. Right here says so cool. I feel like I'm gonna stay here all day. Oh my god, it is so cool. Just a little spot here. Anyway, cuties, newbies, welcome back to another vlog. Welcome, 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 guys. All my new subscribers, I want to say thank you. Thanks for joining the team. I appreciate you guys. Don't just watch. I'm asking you guys, please like the video. Leave me a comment, okay? Share the video if you can, please. Hype up the video. There's this new thing that they're doing now that you can hype up the video. Like it, and then you can hype it as well. And it's free. Why my mic just disconnected? What's going on? I don't understand. What? I don't know what just happened. Oh, the mic is dead. The mic is dead. Oh, the mic is dead. Anyway, cuties, I'm getting off work and I have some runs to make because my car has been telling me, please, please service me. It have begged me for service it so bad, but you don't know the service thing already. We have to wait for an appointment. So I finally got one. It's today at 4 o'clock. And the thing is, I have 2 appointments at 4 o'clock. I have one with my therapy. Is it therapy or therapist? Whatever. The chiropractor for my back. If you are new here, I was in an accident a couple months ago. Somebody ran in the back of my car. I hurt my back, so now I'm doing therapy. So I have a re-evaluation today at 4 o'clock. And I have my car appointment at 4 o'clock. So may I go pop up over camera workplace and see if him can help me out. Yeah. Because you know him not telling me no. So may I go over there and see if him have any free time. Friday, and usually they're very busy on Friday. So hopefully him have one little space. Can just make me drop off the car and then him drop me at the chiropractor. So yeah, let's do that. Bye. Like the video, please. Like the video. Alright, bye. It looked kind of calm today. Usually we can't get a park. Oh, I do. I got a park. Why is it not coming up? What's going on? Hello, sir. Good afternoon. I don't know why you're not on my car, but okay. There you go.
Why I'm not on your car plate?
You're on it now.
Okay. So I guess somebody jump out.
Yeah, I'm actually the restaurant.
Which restaurant?
Yours.
My shop?
Yeah.
Oh, what is, man?
Because we have to drop off the car, so I'm gonna try come see if you have time to carry me.
Oh, well, me just drive out
No,
from the shop. Me actually a circle back then, cause right round the road me reach. And you me die too.
Oh.
But you left work and reach all all the way over my restaurant before you call me.
I think you're busy or something. Okay, cuties. Now we're just gonna head to the dealership, drop off the van, and then go at the therapy. It all works out. It's not 3:15. My appointment is 4 o'clock, so it's for the best. Alright, so see you guys in a minute. What do you mean by my phone obsessed with your camera?
Your car obsessed with my phone.
What that mean?
Every minute, watch it.
What?
Every minute your car jump on my Bluetooth.
No, you're
Your t-shirt are purple.
what that mean? It's the thing that I get for outside. Look at me. When I put it inside, it stick on my skin. You can't do that.
Alright. Purple Fenty.
What is the bottle we go today, guys?
Make me see now.
Hi. Do we have to go to the water back there?
No?
I have an appointment for service.
If you want to go inside, I'm ready to last if you're over here, okay?
I have to go in or I have to do something?
Yeah, I gotta decide.
Alright. What you laughing about?
Or me laughing about what you're doing. Until my book in the head here.
Alright, Puncinella, bye bye. I'll be back. I'll be back, my baby. But anyway, guys, we just drop off the car and now we'll go on the therapy. Alright?
I probably need mine like that.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, ladies. I'm good. Good to see you too.
Give us a minute, okay?
Alright. Y'all left your juice. Okay, cuties, so that is over. Can you imagine me go in with no back pain and coming back out with back pain? That always happen. Every time it come like them store up the pain. But yeah, so I think they said I gotta do an MRI before we do anything else because the pain is a lot. So I guess they want to see what's going on the inside. So yeah. Alright, I don't know what's next. I don't know what we'll do next, so I'm gonna see you guys when Kamara figure it out.
When Kamara figure it out.
When Kamara figure out what's the next move. It is what time now? Almost 5? I'm excited! Why am I not know about all, but we can't wait 5 o'clock home. I can't wait. Every day I'm praying for 5 o'clock come early. I'm hungry. I don't know what I'm eating today. But yeah. Guys, I don't know if you remember yesterday. Well, I'm not gonna be yesterday. It's gonna be the last vlog. Me I telling you how Kamara drive bad. And every day I pick up a nail. And pick up one today again.
Who you to pick up?
You pick up nail. Where you pick up?
Where me pick up nail from?
Where you pick up? Why your tire pressure gone down?
The heat.
The heat, yeah. Blame it on the heat. I'm telling you how I pick up nail every day. Every single day. Anyway, we're here at Key Food because For dinner, I think I'm gonna make some egg white and some spinach with some vegetable in it, you know, some sweet pepper, whatever. You know what? You make up your face like you don't want none. You see your face. It's 5 o'clock. Well, it's 5:30 or 5 something. 5:15. It's 5:15, and my first meal is gonna be some pineapple. Kimar bring from the shop. In ball with sweet from morning. Mamota water. So I still have to strap them in the music there. Mm. Let me say pineapple though. Anyway, cuties. Seatown now nothing where more. Basically them not have no egg white, them not have no spinach, them not no Canadian bacon. So we'll put back the things in, we'll go to Walmart and pick them up. But first we're gonna pick up the car because it's probably ready. Street for Joe.
You me tell you.
You here to pick up your car?
Yeah.
Let me get your last name.
East.
Sign anywhere here on the front. Once you're done signing, you're free to leave. This is your copy to take
Thank
along
you.
with
You said that anywhere here?
Yeah.
Here you go. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I wonder if they wash the car. I wonder. It looked like it's washed. No, it's not. No, it is definitely not washed. Oh my God. The people them couldn't wash the car. Jesus. What do you know what? Sir. Sorry, sweetie. Here. Is it? Oh, sorry. This jalapeno, right? Yeah, it's jalapeno.
Yeah.
If I wasn't on a diet, I would definitely be taking this home. This look good. What? This looks so good. I think a 440 something.
Oh yeah.
So we're gonna get, let me see something. Serving 60 calories per serving, and a tree with so much calories in that turkey. Serving size, one slice. Oh hell no, there's so much calories in that one, yeah? 30 and a one slice. So that's definitely better. I'll get two of them. You get egg already? Hey, two of them. You have regular bacon at the house for you, right?
Yeah.
It's expensive for the pan diet. It's $7, $6 something. Damn. Okay.
Oh, then
This?
yeah, that's $3 for you.
Oh, at least me see you saying that.
What's wrong with you?
I don't me see.
Yeah, they know that's good.
Check if the egg then good.
What's up, right?
Yeah, I get one of them. We need to try this, you know. Them said this is the good, well, not we, me. Them said this is the best yogurt for when you're on diet. But I can't see myself I eat cottage cheese on top. Just not look right. Hey guys, what I do with a Friday evening, but they, I might as well dash you this. So what kind of big hole this in my clothes? When did this happen? Yeah, that's done. I don't know about only, but folding clothes is the worst part of housework ever. Folding and pressing, two things where my husband can't tell me to do. And can't tell me about folding clothes and pressing clothes. No. I will wash them and I will do everything else in the house. But fold clothes and press clothes, Jesus, man. It's too much. I said them something I have to hang up on me. I tell them to say, I don't know when I gotta hang up nothing. I don't know. I mean, on a drawer, I put so much clothes in there. I don't have it. But anyway, what's popping? Happy Friday. This is my Friday right now. I am not doing anything else today. Me I fold them clothes, they all fresh and come back, come lie down. Because me have a very busy weekend. Very busy weekend. Tomorrow, Saturday, me and Tanya out. We're in the streets. And then Sunday, I'm in the street with another bitch. So we have a busy weekend. So I'm not about to do nothing today. I still got the hearing, guys. It'll keep up it tight still. I'm just hoping when I pull it down, we get some nice bouncy curl. And in the minute I get nice bouncy curl, we get it come out smooth, you know? Yeah, that's what I'm hoping for. Guys, we're not gonna hairdresser right now. None of that. Anyway, cuties. I'm me telling you how that Canadian bacon there, if you never have it, ooh, y'all need to try it. It's very low in calories and it tastes so good. Oh my god. The egg white, I've never had it. Me never knows egg white alone tastes so good. The egg white and the spinach and the ooh, child. I ate me a for dinner today again. I'm having the exact same dinner. You know some call today and cancel the gym? I actually put it on pause. Yeah, guys. I don't know. I am really not. I don't want to go to the gym. I called today for quit and them said them can put it on pause for 3 months and then after the 3 months we can figure out what we want to do, you know? If we want cancel it for real or if we want to come. You know? So yeah. That's what I did today. May I go and do my diet and go and walk. You know? Do my stretches them in the house. But as for the gym thing, no. No, 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 no.
Oh, you know you make me float. Boy, you really give me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on dope. 'Cause you serve me on a regular. Boy, these guys rope. Before you drift in me deeper. Baby, now hold me close. Let's take this overboard now.
Look at that. We're done. Finally. Yay. Hated that, but it's over. Thank God. Anyway. Me, I got all fresh. Let me just sleep seeing yourself. Mega bed. Hey cuties. What's popping? Happy Saturday. So remember me telling you so we are go happy hour today. I me and Tanya, but maybe my friend come. She'll try to get one babysitter. Finding clothes. Finding clothes is the absolute worst because I don't want to wear out the whole of the fashion over stuff. Then me already gone about 2 pieces out of them. I'm not do the haul yet. This is so hard. I don't know what. Ooh. It's just finding the things that me no man. Well, me can't wait to get back on closet because this can't work. Oh, I could wear this. I haven't worn this in forever, but I wonder if it's too long. This is too much for up here. I'm not even gonna try the last box day because that tape up. I'm not putting no tape right now. Oh, them still there for hanger. I wish I could wear this, but it's so big. But I think the top feet. So my body get big. my God. You know what, cuties? Let me find clothes and then get back to them. Alright? It's so hot. Anyway, cuties. Moment of truth for this rollers. Okay. Not bad. Got some pretty curls. Whoa. Okay. Alright. Maybe we could do something with that. Throw a bando over it. Ooh. Ooh. Check it out. Ooh, and it's so shiny. I don't know if you guys could see it, but it's so shiny. Real cute, real fluffy. What y'all think? Oh, it is so nice. I like it, but no, when me out the tweet, no. We could just wear it like this, right? Is it cute like this? I'm gonna just wear it like this, coming on the time. Anyway, let me get ready and I'll be back. It's so dark in here. This is gonna be the scent. And I'm gonna put something else with it, but and I'm gonna mix it with the I always pull the top here off and it can't come off. The Jimmy Choo. Smells so good. Oh my God. Okay, cutie, so I did this little up thing. It's cute. I like it. Yeah. And guess what? I end up wearing one of the outfit from Fashion Over from the haul because the box was doing too much. So it's this 2-piece. It's on Fashion Over. You guys will see it and get more details about it in the Fashion Over haul because I'm still gonna add it. It's real cute, real simple. And me wear my Coach bag and my Coach slippers. Real cute, right? It's so dark. I don't understand. I got the light on and it's still dark. But anyway, yep. That's the look. We out of here. Alright, cuties, we're gonna pick up Tanya and then we're picking up back. It's so crazy how the one person who never sure how them did I go and a look babysitter reach at the bar half an hour ago. Isn't that so crazy? And me and Tanya have nothing to do the whole day and a week late. But anyway, we picking up back in a minute. Take me down before I drop. I say you gotta always wait 10 hours upon Tanya.
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail. The person you're trying to reach.
Even though she called me and said she ready, you know, still I'm here outside waiting like 20 minutes. And then when she come out your yard, the rush is crazy. Crazy. I know a little girl now answer her phone. You know when we forget to do that Saturday, happy or one of them. We forget to happy or one of them on Saturday. But happy hour for we. Happy hour for we because I first nobody now work to the Saturday.
Your call has been forwarded to
Girl!
voicemail.
You wait me put on my bed so far.
Come when you get ready, suppose me never wake up so early. What time you ready? Cutie, say hi to the cutie.
Hi, cuties.
Yo, I can't believe that Jaja reached her place before we and Jaja got here just and Jaja look babysitter from morning and Jaja reached the place for hour now.
Y'all wicked.
And the fuck
Y'all wicked. You are wicked.
Oh, me become wicked.
Y'all
Head
wicked.
southwest on it.
No mix me. Trying to say butterfly look like the one for my neck.
That's so cuties. That butterfly almost look like the one on Kate's neck.
No, it don't.
Almost.
I got a whole design on my neck. Go through the door. No, it's pretty.
Why my friend looks so lonely?
God, we have her down here and wait all day. Oh. What do you think about cocktail?
The guacamole.
The guacamole.
The guac. No boyfriend? No boyfriend. Oh, that's why you don't do nails, because you don't want no boyfriend.
So fat. Damn. Ass so fat like.
To a beautiful Saturday evening with the ladies. Yes. Right. Cheers.
Damn. Like. Damn. Like. Hey, yo, not the producer. Tell me to stop playing on your name. Ass so fat like. So fat like.
Hello. How are you thinking they love a village? But cocker up the boy. Alright, cuties, we're heading to another spot. You smell it, right?
No weed, this.
Just call. A weed, man. I want the bar there. This name, sir, in here look very quiet. We're going to one next spot near Frenchies. No, it don't look. It don't look popping at all at all. Oh, lie. They kind of look. I don't think down here where people sit down. I think down here where people take picture.
Oh, we can sit down and drink here too.
Hey, y'all in the back. Just because you in the back.
Cheers.
Y'all part of the show. Y'all part of the show now. Ain't no. She filming it. She said, I don't want to forget this shit.
Yeah. we need it.
So now, you go.
Yes, my love. I love the dress. Okay. Tears drop out.
Everybody knock down walls and tables.
My God, bring it, bring it. That was real quick. Was that cuties?
Yes, I don't know.
Tanya, I'm on gurgle, I want gurgle everybody.
Cuties?
This it lock?
What?
You say. Tanya not here for take off the gurgle. She not here. Take off that Ross, man.
Cuties? When you want to snatch, me I try snatch the waist, but me I tell it to the me can't drink. I eat in peace.
All that Tanya drink stuck right there. All that Tanya drink stuck in her chest. Our food in our chest. You don't feel relief.
Hold on, I'm full of.
Oh, the wrap one.
And the other one, the wrap me a van.
Tanya that can't lose, that have to take off completely.
Wrap me a van, man.
Oh God, girl.
Wrap me a van. And I'm going to the bathroom and lose it a couple times.
That can't lose. Mr. Guys, Tanya tried been a while ago. I trouble all that stuff. Tanya tried been a trouble to rot it.
Murder!
Murder for Samantha! That should rap.
Martin Luther King would have said, I'm free at last.
Yes, my love.
What trap? What on there?
Free. Cover up your belly. Cover up your belly with your cover up. You see, this is it. You don't feel better? That is why you now have no fun all night. Guys, what am telling you all night, Tanya? We can't even say. All night, Tanya now have no good fun. All night. And this is why, because the damn belt sitting up in her chest.
Listen, every woman knows, say,
look up,
you want to try
look up pain.
Yeah, beauty comes with pain.
Yeah.
So you want to snatch the waist? I'm going to try to snatch the waist all night tonight, but no, some I forgive in.
Guys,
go.
We're going next club, but we're not caring. So bye.
I'm going to try not to judge her.
What cuties, when I'm telling us, I feel like say, I feel like I reach my breaking point with trying with my nephew. I feel like I reach it and there's nothing we can do about it. I'm so stressed out and so sad. I'm just so sad and there's just nothing you can do. You know the way that there's nothing there's no way of fixing it. I made the biggest mistake of my life by bringing him here. And because I made the mistake, I have to just sit down in it. I have to just sit in it because there's nothing we can do. There's just absolutely nothing. No matter me I think. I just can't deal with it no more. I just can't deal with the life, the levity, the whole condition. It's just too much for me. And it reached to a point where it has stressed me out so fucking bad. My fucking hair a fall out. Yeah. It's like the little boy don't want nothing. Him don't want nothing in a life. Him don't want nothing. I don't know. I just don't know at this point. And I know so I can't bother. I just can't bother. I think I try enough. I sacrifice enough. I can't even find fucking clothes to put on. Right now I forgot somewhere. I can't find clothes. Because I can't dig up in a them box there for find clothes. And I did all that just so you could be comfortable and still, you just keep doing a whole bunch of fucking bullshit. Cuties. This cologne is almost $300. Almost $3 bills. It's empty. And I don't wear it. And I don't wear it for a reason. So let me check them here. I got these for my Mother's Day. I put them up. I never wear them yet. Lock, seal. I think I open one of them. The owner for them take them and I use them. Never wear my cologne them yet, guys. Never. I put them down. Just put them down because them just so cute. You know, I'm in a need for wear it. Look where this reach. From up here, so. Never wear it yet. Never once spray this cologne. Never. The owner for them take them, pull them, wear them. Get him in a school, him not go school. None at all. None at all. None at all. No school. Every day to school, email with mother. Every single day my mother get an email. He's not at school. And no matter how you call him, him not answer your phone. No matter how you talk to him, there's no answer. There is literally just no response whatsoever to nothing when you ask. None. And get a job, we pay him $1,000 a week. $1,000 a week. And he walk off of that job saying can't bother. What the fuck you want? Cause if I don't know work, I don't know school, what is it? I'm so stressed out and I'm trying to avoid it every day. Every day I try to avoid it. I just say no, allow him. Because at the end of the day, my nephew, I can't put him out. I cannot live with myself for no someone put him on the road. I can't do it. So I have to live with it because of me put myself in the situation. No. Okay, cutie, so I did this little side thing. It's cute or whatever. So I found something pink. I don't know if I told you guys that the event today is pink and white. So I found this cute. I'll show it to you in a minute. The scent for the day is Juicy Couture. Smells so good. They all smell so good. Ooh, I forget how good this smells. I haven't worn this in a minute. And I'm gonna mix it with the cologne. They must be tired of me. I'm gonna try this. I don't know what the hell this is. It says Queen of Seduction. I'm gonna try this one. I don't know. It's good, but I need something that smells good, so I'm gonna do this. I need something that I'm sure about. You know the way they? I never wear that goat yet. It smells good, but I never wear it goat yet. Alright, that is it. That is it. And I'm gonna put the little Juicy Couture in my bag. And yeah, I'm ready. Come here to go pick up my friend daughter. She just called and said she ready. So I'm gonna show them my outfit and get out of here. Bree, I'm out. Love you. Let's see if I can show them this quick and fast. I walk with my work bag just because I don't want to go in the box go look for the bag. Anyway, it's this cute little pink skirt suit from Fashion Nova. They got these gritty. I don't know if you guys could see it. These design all over it. I like it. The sleeve really long, but me dry it up just to get a little, you know. The grit is also at the end of the thing. Yeah. This looks so cute if I wear clothes down for my hip, but I don't because I know what for sure off my stretch mark. But yeah, this is it. It's cute and simple. I wear some pink slippers and they match my bucket bag, so that's the look. The hair is good, right? What y'all think? It's cute. You're not seeing the spot. Oh guys, and I'm really sorry about that breakdown earlier. That like a mental breakdown earlier. Oh, I park in the front. Shit. I'm really sorry about that. Alright, it's not gonna happen again. Okay? Alright. I'm gonna see you guys at the party.
She's a queen. Check out who she is. She's royal. Need her.
No, too early for your foot out there, you just reach. I realize it's enough. What the heck is that?
Who spends more money? This is easy. Who's more likely to start an argument? All right. Who is the better driver? It can't be Shadi. Shadi drive like man.
So she drive like man.
Oh my God. Who usually apologizes first after a
That's
disagreement? Who's more likely to get lost on a trip? Shadi. What was your first impression of each other? You don't need to put the shoes or nothing. Just answer this. What was your first impression of each other? We were dumping, and then he walked in. I'm like, wow, the boy is nasty. Who that? Sir, your time now. What was your first impression of Sade?
So the first time was she's gonna be my girl.
Fair enough.
Say hi to the cuties.
Hi, cutie.
Woo, I'm falling. Say hey, what's wrong? What happened? You hit your mouth? Oh, I'm sorry. Oh. She look up and you still run back to it again. No, sir. And she can't drive it in our car. Straight in the... So sorry. Cuties, welcome back to the vlog, cuties. Welcome back. Today is Monday. We're there in a Walmart to try to get one lock for my door. This is it.
No, this is the one without key. You can't shove anything in our opening.
Oh. I don't like that black thing though. So find a different color. Yeah, we could work with the gold.
Because I think we want already gold, no?
Yeah. How much for this?
13.47.
Okay.
Nolly, why you dropping on the floor?
She said too much. Raw. Raw. Girl, pick your outfit and let's go.
Teacher.
Yeah, pick your outfit. Hey, this fit you. Put this for your face.
Why you not put it on your face?
It look more like you.
This look more like me.
What is? Don't play. Fucking ramping. Not playing. Watch and drop one next one, ground.
Friday the 13th.
You want to put on one locket? My locket first lock you put on?
No put on the lock for yet. Me so put on lock for you, man.
Cuties, let me tell y'all what happened to me yesterday. So, I went to a party. I went to the what they call it, the engagement party, right? So my friend invited me. So I reach, me go over to her. She's like, all right, you reach, let's go grab a table. We got a table, we stand up and realize that every table have a hookah on the table. I asked her if it's free or how much is the hookah. She said, no, it's free. So I'm like, okay, bet. I thought that was such a cute touch. I've never seen that anywhere when I go. I never see free hookah yet. So I'm like, all right then, cool, because I know me like, when me I drink, me like smoke my hookah. Y'all already know that. So I'm like, yeah, me I gotta enjoy myself now. I go and tell her, say, if I like one of them. She said, no, they already light. Every hookah on the table, them lighting. I'm like, all right. But then I smoke my hookah, I sip my mimosa because I wasn't in the mood for any drink, any big alcohol, you know. So I just did a sip and I enjoyed myself. Then I see the girl come back like maybe 20 minutes later. And she said she had changed the hookah head. So she take off the one on it and she put another one on it. But take the first pull, me take out of the one, then I start cough. Cough so hard, me telling them, I telling them what the way my cough hard. Just know say I had to go to the bathroom. Never cough like that before. Then I come back now and I'm like, probably the ear one little tight. So I screw the side of it, blow the ear and thing. and take two more puff. Did instant. Instant me start feel thirsty. I'm like, why am I so thirsty? Like, this is weird. This is me talking to myself. And I'm like, this is weird. Why the hell am I so thirsty? And I'm like, what's in this drink? Because I started feeling funny. I started feeling like heavy, like I just wanted to lay down. And I'm like, it's no way a mimosa can have me like this. And my friend come over and she's like, what's wrong with you? And I'm like, I don't know, but I don't feel good. My eyes are so heavy. I'm thirsty. I feel like there's literally no water in my body at this point. So I'm like, she's like, I can't do mimosa. And I'm like, no, you can't. We drink when we go out. So hell no. It is some champagne and some orange juice of me like this. He's like, you don't look right at all. Something right. I say, I don't feel right. I feel high. I don't feel drunk. I feel high. And she's like, oh, you have to feel high when... I'm like, I don't know. I don't know what the heck is going on. Nobody around me now smoke no weed. Why do I feel like this? The girl, Georgia go for water for me and say to the girl who made the hookah them. And the girl are gonna make Georgia know say, I the wrong hookah edge she put on my hookah. This girl literally drugged me. I'm like, what the hell? Georgia come over and Georgia is like, Kayan, don't panic. But them saw weed in the hookah. I'm like, weed in the hookah? How the hell you ever put weed in a hookah? Give somebody who don't smoke weed. Bro, me I tell them to say, I've never felt like that in my life. I say, I forget seat and sit down instant. Me if I drop a chair, I say, I'm purring and I feel like me would feel turn over the chair. Me thirsty, me dead and I just didn't know what to do. We have end up call Cameron and Cameron walk come at the party. It was close to Cameron's house. Him walk come at the party and I have to come drive me home. Because when I tell him, I sit down there, I try make the weed wear off. I'm like, alright, let me sit down a little bit and see if it go wear off. No, higher, me I get higher. I'm getting higher and higher and higher. I'm telling you, say. I couldn't believe it. Listen, remember, I don't smoke. It's just weird. It's just weird how you're back there making hookah. And I didn't call you and tell you, say, my hookah needed to be changed. But you come and you say, may I change the top of your hookah? And you change it and put a weed hookah give me? It's just weird. It's just weird to me. Because, I don't know. I don't know if everyone there was smoking weed hookah. I don't know. I don't know. But the moral of the story is don't smoke hookah unless you see people that make it. Because that could have gone so freaking wrong. Anyway, that's the story I had. Listen, cuties. Just know say that was not a fun experience. It was no fun. It wasn't. So, yeah, I'm ending the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new. And also, do not forget to hype the video. You know that hype thing? It's free, guys. Go ahead, do that. It actually helped the video a lot for go out in the algorithm. It does. Just like when you like and when you comment. Cuties that are in the back. Cuties that don't like to comment on video. Wanna start comment on the video, then, man? Please, me ask you know. Comment on the video. I know I have some silent watchers and I appreciate you guys. But just comment on the video them and watch them so that the algorithm pick up the video for me now. Please. Y'all know I don't like to beg, okay? Anyway, I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. And I will see y'all in the next one. Okay?